Alright, you guys, so today we're going to talk about how to test soil for pH. So the first step that you need is to get a little Dixie cup, which I have over by my microwave, over in the back of the room on that counter. You need to fill it, I don't know, between halfway and a full cup of soil. You need to put it in this little plastic baggie and add water. Alright, so I've already done that. So soil, water in the bag. You're just going to let it sit in the bag for about a minute, maybe two. And then you are going to get this little test tube. Now, just like we did with the water testing, we're going to fill it to the 5 milliliter line with this water. Alright, so I am going to just dip this test tube and just try to get water in it. So leave the soil, just kind of filter out, get as much of just water in it as you can. So I understand that you'll get some dirt in there, but try to just get the liquid. You could also like puncture a hole in the baggie and just let the water drip out. It's always an option. Okay, so I've got about 5 milliliters. Now there's a lot of soil on the outside of my test tube, but for the most part I've got just the liquid in here that sat in the soil. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and put it in this little kit here. Alright, as you can see. Then I'm going to add 2 drops of my pH indicator. 2 drops. Alright, so here's this. 1, 2. I think I got more like a 3 in there, but 2 is fine. Then we're going to mix it up. Mix it up a little bit, and there might be some little caps. There's not any in there right now, but I'll add some. But you'll kind of mix that up there. And whatever color it turns, so this one's staying pretty green, which is what I expected for this particular soil sample. Alright, so you can see that it's turning pretty green. So when I put it back in here, I can match up with this color chart what the pH is. And so since it's pretty green, I would say it's matching up here at about the 7.5, 8 range. So for this particular soil. You are welcome to bring soil from home if you would like. It would be interesting to see what your soil from home looks like. On your activity, there's a tab on the activity on Paxton Patterson that says background info. If you click on that, it'll kind of show what plants like, what pH value certain plants like. Some plants grow best in an acidic environment, so it would be anything from 4 to 6.5 on the pH scale. So that might be more into your yellows and your reds here. Or some plants might like this neutral. Neutral usually is anywhere from 6 to 8. Or some plants might like more of a basic soil. So it just depends on what you're trying to grow. You can always test the pH to see if your soil is suitable for that plant. Alright, 2 drops of indicator solution, liquid from the soil. Alright, let me know if you have questions.